Ano yung tawag sa malaking plak?
I feel good sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road. Like, might go down to G.O.D.
Anong tawag doon sa malaking plak? Guys?
I made sure that Northside eat.
Hindi!
Still.
Visit. Wait! Bago ko sagutin yung mga tanong, ano muna yung tawag doon sa... Yung plak na ano?
I've been
Yun.
moving calm, I'm starting.
Wait. Sintra board. Itong mga to. Kung ano-ano sinasabi. Sintra board.
No trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle.
Kung ano-ano sinasabi nyo.
Pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you
Nakakasar.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
Eh, hindi ko nga alam kung ano tawag dun eh.
Wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was
Yung parang illustration board.
God's plan.
Well, Sintra board. Okay na, Sintra board na.
I hope that sometimes I won't.
Oh my God, nag-join si Aaron Yeager.
Sometimes I don't.
Si Jollibee din. Ba't ang galit? Sorry. Serious. Naano lang ako, na-hype lang ako. Nasa tono lang yung boses ko, pero di ako galit.
I made sure that Northside eat.
Ano na yung tanong niyo ulit?
And still.
Ayun, meron ako Sintra board dito.
Bad
Sa labas, naka ano lang kasi.
bad things.
Nakadikit eh. Thank you, Mikey.
That's right. Look, yeah, you got the right idea.
Ano ulit yung tanong niyo?
Bad
May nagtanong kanina eh.
bad things.
Kuya, may light stick ka na ng SBT? Meron! May nagbigay sa akin. Thank you! Kasi hindi ko siya magagamit kasi hindi ako makakanood ng con. Now I'm my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dogs, I even got it tatted on me. 81, can bring the girls to the party. Hey, you know me. Fave album na SBT na wala ka pa po.
Without 40 Ollie, there be no me.
Heaven's Blood, meron na rin ako. Yung fans na nagbigay sa akin nun, yabe, sobrang mahal na mahal ko sila.
I can't do this on my own. Hey, someone watching this shit close.
Meron na ba ako ng ano?
I've been me since Scarlet
Ng,
Road.
ano yung reset nila?
Go down as G.O.D.
Ano yung reset nila, guys?
I go
Alam ko eh.
Southside G.
Yung may ano, may,
I make sure that
nandun yung shadow, nandun yung,
it's still
hindi, FML.
bad things.
Wala pa akong God of Music. FML, wala rin ako. Wala akong FML. Meron pa bago, before FML.
Bad things.
Heaven of Clouds, meron, Heaven of Clouds yun, diba? Meron na ano. Ano yan? Ano yan? My God! Ano yun? Oh, Ataka meron na ako. Ano yun? Before FML yun. Search mo na lang. Kaya nga, gusto ko kasi guys yung kung saan po dumadaloy sa ano ko eh. Ay, meron na pala akong Face the Sun. Face the Sun pala yun. Sinasabi ko. Meron na pala Face the Sun. Face the Sun. Meron pala. Ang wala ko, FML, tsaka God of Music. Ay, God of Music. Yung mini album wala ako. 17. Yung 11th mini album. Sector meron na eh. Ataka meron. OD? Odd. Wala. Ayun, meron na daw akong fourth album na package. Guys, alam mo, mas sila yung nakakalam kasi sila nagbigay. Kaya nga alam ko yung mga yun.
You gotta make sure you take care of your mom too, no matter what you do. That's all we got.
Bigyan nga. Guys,
That's my world too.
kaya alam na alam ko kayo eh. Pero hindi na kailangan. Pero, kayo bahala. So, tuloy lang ano. sendan na lang kita beads ng code para di ka na malungkot. Maingit na kung di ako mas lalo ako malulungkot yan eh. May tinanong sila eh. May tinanong si ano eh, si Mitch Tape eh. Oo, Mitch Tape. Tingin mo mas magiging malaki din market ng mga Pinoy dancers kapag naging worldwide ang P-pop? Oh yeah! Sobra! May tao, si Papa eh. Sobra. Kasi sobrang malaking breakthrough yun pag lumaki yung P-pop. Actually ngayon, grabe na ngayon eh. Kasi like for example yan, 18. Tapos sino-sinong artist na yung nababakapan nila. For example yan, Scouts, sa SB19. Siyempre, mas lalaki pag sumikat palalo worldwide. Kasi like for example sa mga Koreans, diba sila sila Nozy ba yun? Nozy? Diba backup siya ni Kai. Tapos tingin mo na dahil sa exposure ni Kai, na-expose na rin siya. Na which is resulting to naging artist pa si Nozy. Hindi ko alam guys. Pero sumikat siya, diba? Kasi na-appreciate yung visuals niya, tapos ang galing niya pa. Hindi ko ganun din sa ganun din dito kapag nagkataon. Kasi mas makikilala mo yung dancer na yun outside din sa ginagawa niya. Kasi hindi lang siya like sumasayaw siya as backup dancer sa mga K-pop. Pero ang mas maganda doon yung ginagawa niya prior sa pagbabackup. Diba? Sumasayaw siya, nagka-class siya, nagtuturo siya ng class. Mas madami pa, mas ma-appreciate mo. Like, sobrang ganun pa naman talaga niya ito. Ganyan. Thank you, AJ. Yeah, for example, si KJJ. KJJ, idol ko na yun ever since sa Showtime, sa X-Bigentan. Sobrang galing yun. Ano pa sila nun? Parang mga tamblingero. Tapos napanood ko pa yung nila. Switzerland na piece nila about K-God yun, music yun about siya, praise song ata siya. Yun, tingnan mo ngayon si KJ, sobrang solid niya. Diba? Kumakanta ka din po sa mga stream ng recorder. Hindi ako kumakanta talaga. As in, ewan ko maniniwala ka sa akin, pero yun totoo. Hindi ako kumakanta dati. Kumakanta lang ako sa mga karaoke. Pero, alam ko nasa tono ako, pero hindi ako magaling. As in, promise. Tapos, ang favorite ko pa nun, naging rin ako, na-addict din ako sa karaoke nun. Kasi dito sa namin, sa street namin, parang may video okay dito. Dati kasi di ba uso yun, yung may video okay, tapos mag-uuwi ka 5 piso, 10 piso, ganyan. Lagi lang ako humingi sa mama ko ng 5 piso. Tapos ang kinakanta ko nun, Mang Jose. Favorite ko yung Mang Jose. As in, lagi kong kinakanta yun. Tapos, Mang Jose ba yung para kay Edgar. Tapos yun, nung bata ako, tamang kanta lang ako. Yun lang. Di ba labo, Mang Jose? Paano mo nalaman ng talent mo pala yun? Actually, siguro na-appreciate ko na lang yung singing voice ko nung yung pumasok ako ng first one. Hindi ko na lang siya na-appreciate. Tapos, pero kumakanta ako high school, college. Pero lang, mas more on sa choir. Ganun. Alam mo yung mga yung sa mga per section may parang tag dito. May laban-laban, mga choir, ganyan. Yun. Yung mga ganun. Ako lagi yung ano dun. Tag dito. Tenor. Tenor. Kasi nga mataas yung boses ko. Ganyan. Mamusisap. Hindi na yun. Sakalimutan ko na yun. Nag-try ka banda, kuya? Parang never. Never. Wala talaga guys. Wala talaga sa isip ko magbanda ng na ginagawa ko yung na kumakanta ako. Wala talaga. Mas more on ano ako. Mas more on sa sayaw talaga ako. Sayaw talaga ako guys. Mas sa ano ako. Sa dance. Aside from guitar. Yung sa guitar guys, basics lang alam ko dun. Hindi ako masyado magaling. Pero gusto ko pa matuto talaga. Nag-iisip nga ako bumili ng ano eh. Ng gitara. Alam mo yun, yung ano, yung lumanog. Gusto ko bumalik sa paggigitara. Kasi yung dami ko naiisip na parang yung mga title ng kanta. Ganyan. Gusto ko gumawa ng kanta. Tapos, mga instruments na in-explore ko din, piano nag-explore din ako nun. Pero yun eh, wala naman ng equipment, so wala ng instrument, so hindi ko siya ma-practice talaga like araw-araw palagi. Tapos ano pa ba? Yun, drums, yeah, drums gusto ko rin matutunan. Yung choreographer ng shoutout, ang kamot. Yung choreographer ng shoutout, drummer yun. Kay Josh, malapit yun. Musically inclined sila. Tinuruan niya kami one time, parang ano lang, pattern lang. Na parang nagtatap ka tapos nagpumapadyak yung paa mo. Sobrang hirap kasi body coordination siya. Which is okay lang din kasi nga, pagdating sa sayaw, body coordination din. Parang for example, makagalaw-galaw mo yung ulo mo, sabay ito, diba? Mga ganun. Ganyan. Diba? Sa liwa, ganyan. So, sundan mo. Body coordination. Parang ito. Ganyan. Diba? Parang unggoy lang. Ganun, paikot to, tapos paikot to. Ganun. Ngayon na. Nalilito ako. Body coordination. Masanay ako sa ano. Sa kanan. Diba? Gawin nyo to guys. Ayun o. Oh, diba? Si Doc Ran pala yun with me Brand new emotion. Just let me drink in that potion. So if you're ready, and if you let me. Yes, pero my tito told me to use yung old. Isa rin yun actually. Thinking ready, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. Gusto ko rin drums. Kasi feeling ko maano ko dun eh. Kasi mas, yung style na gusto ko, mas more on sa pop rock. Pop rock. Ganun. Diba yung last na live ko, sobrang na-appreciate ko yung yung kanta ni Ken. Kasi yun talaga yung ano ko eh. Parang ano tawag doon? Ano tawag doon guys? Taste? Hindi taste eh. Cup of tea. Idioms yun. Ayusin nyo guys. May cup of tea. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in 3D. You won't regret me. Champagne confetti, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. Cause you know how I like it, girl. You know how I like it. 3D. You know how I like it. You know how I like it. Alright. Hindi ko ngayon. Hindi sa naman kantay.
You my page is like samples. Speaking of bucks, I got those. And as for fucks, well, not those. And as for thoughts, what do you really wanna know? I thought so. I fly you from Korea to Kentucky. And you ain't gotta guarantee me nothing. I just wanna see if I get lucky. I just wanna meet you in the physical and see if you would
Ano tayo
touch me.
guys? Ito try lang ako. Ganda pa. Hey, hey, standing next to you. Ano lyrics ito? Take it slow, I push up on this one can give me miracles. Ano lang, hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Ayan. Ayan na tayo. Inuulit ko, di ko alam yung lyrics. Baka bashin nyo ako eh. Miss Love, I push up on this funk and give me miracles. Make known how we left and right is something we control. We love it all night long, we rock to this, screaming and testify this loving. Screaming and testify that we'll survive it, test the time they can deny your love. They can divide us, we'll survive it, test the time, I swear that I'll be right here. Next to you, in the fire next to you. You know it's deeper than the rain, it's deeper than the pain, when it's deep like DNA. So take and take away, hey, take, 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 take off. Standing next to you. Yung panggamot ginawa niyo. Huwag niyo napansinin. Wala tuloy ako kung may. Ay, ito na lang. Set to glow. Got the sun in the moon. You know that all night long we rock to this, screaming and testify this loving. Screaming I testify that we'll survive and test the time. They can't deny your love. They can't divide us, we'll survive and test the time. I swear that I'll be right here. Next to you. The fire next to you. Next to you. Oh, you know it's deeper than the rain, it's deeper than the pain, but it's deep like DNA. So take and take away, hey, take, 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 take off. Standing next to you. Standing next to you. Panis. Nakita ko kayo tating, di ba? Uy, mabalik ko yun, oh! Nice kayo dun! Ayusin nyo! Ayusin nyo! Kanina rectangle, true. Sino nagturo sa Team Gipo? Sila lang yun guys. Ako lang nagko-correct sa kanila. Kapag may unsure silang steps. Pero mas more on sila lang yun. Sa amin ako tsaka si Alpha nag-formation. Ganyan. Tamang tamang ambagan lang. Live your body golden like the sun and the moon. Ay! Naka-echo pa pala. And on it all along, we rock to this. Swimming, I testify this loving. All along. We'll survive it, test the time. They can divide us, we'll survive it, test the time. I swear that I'll be right here. Ayan, okay na. Ito guys, meron akong kantang handog sa inyo. Medyo bago lang to. Kaya, bear with me. Bago lang to guys. Kaya mabibigla ah. Yun, may ads eh. Covers PH. Mahirap to guys. Alam niyo to? Bago lang to eh. I came to you and never asked too much. Wondering what you say. Oh, di ba? Di ko kabisado. Hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much of what's been going on. The past is all over and gone. Give me your troubled mind, you know it's used. Hindi ko. Kaya bago siya. It's alright. I want you having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Oh, you're brave to say that you get lost in love. To open your heart to me. Underneath all you feel, you know how deep a love could be. Tonight. Mali ata. Ano ko? To go. Leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not through. I can do so. Di ba hindi ko alam? I want you having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Dance break. Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Ganon. Bago siya, guys. Kasi karamihan sa inyo hindi alam, di ba? Bago siya. Wala. Guys, meron akong... Hindi ko siya kabisado, pero gusto ko lang siyang kantahin. From a good friend of mine. Kilala niyo to, guys? Sobrang sikat na ito. Sobrang bait pa nung ano. Sobrang bait pa ng vocalist. Idol ko yung vocalist na nito. Alam niyo to, guys. Di ba? Baka Raji yan. Baka Raji yan. Kinukulayan ang isipan, pabalik sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang balikan, patuloy ka lang masasaktan. Hindi mo ko nag-iisip sa isang magandang larawan. Paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang pangalang nakasanayan. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Tay na, tara na. Ready na ako. Hindi na may babalik ang dati nating pagsasama. Ang tamis ng iyong halik ay di na madarama. Pangako sa isa't isa ay di na mabubuhay. Paalam sa ating Hindi ko na alam to yung tono. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi dinadhana. Sadyang mapaglaro itong mundo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Hello po. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, Ang ibig na ating sinayang pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Hanggang dito na lang tayo. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, para sa sariling kapakanan. Kinalimutan kahit nahihirapan, mga oras na hindi na mababalikan. Pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadhana. Puso natin ay hindi sa isa't isa. Oh. Yay. Grabe. Namiss ko bigla si Raj ah. Guys, ito bagong-bago. Bagong-bago to. Hey. Drop some fire. They can be one only you by now. And baby, God can never make two. Na. And I know you came here with your crew. Yeah. But I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. Oh, I don't know what you had planned to do tonight, but I just wanna be the one to do you right. Girl, we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. Hey, thank you, Chrislyn. Drop some fire. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about living with me tonight. Loving and love, cause I wanna tell them they wrong. I want it, baby, try a new thing. Dapat na natin. And let's rock a new play. You gon' be my best. Loving my great time. Baby, better. Baby, come and get it, try a new place. And let's spark a new play. Yeah. Baby girl, where's your lover? Oh, it don't really matter, cause I got best to get to know you better. Yeah. Baby, let's make what we got, it last forever. Girl, cause I don't wanna let you go, never. I don't know if you ready to do tonight. Girl, I just wanna be the one to do you right. Girl, we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving me and me tonight. For love in a club, cause I wanna tell them they're wrong. Come on, this baby, try a new thing. And let's spark a new flame. Yeah. You will be my baby, love me like you crazy. Tell me if you read it, baby, come and get it. New thing. And let's spark a new. Nakakatawa naman yung nag-join ko, Christmas natin. Hey, bro, serious hour. Slide in a hope, baby, I'm a boss. I'm talking George Stanley, Breno, Paramira, Yogi Berra, Matosita, Derek Jeter, got no stripes and all this. Baby Molly in the collar on my polo, kisses on my necklace. All my diamonds watching, all my watches getting jealous. Smoking on the bomb in my autograph LeBron. Yeah, she told me I'm the one that's when I only hit it once. Love in it, no. Babe, you think me, baby, you gon' be my baby, lovey, dog sunod. If you with it, baby, come and get it, try and do things. And let's spark a new flame. Narinig ako ni Mama. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You're far too kind. Sitcom na. Ano next? Ito na naman tayo eh. Kumukulit na naman ako eh.
Double Cans! Kasama mo na ang iiti araw-araw. Para sa sobrang saya. Mag-download all access.
Tapos ako kanina eh. Imagination. Ano yan? SpongeBob. Hey. Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. No, break it out, bring it in, never knowing what life's ahead. We can really never tell it all. Oh no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin and just end. We can really never tell it all. No. 'Cause can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and so we can just fine. 'Cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies, colors, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world turns, still will be night and day. Can you feel me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Hit it high, hit it low, we don't lose, you should go. Yeah. Getting warm, getting cold, weather could be so good or bad. But baby, this is life, so don't get mad. No. 'Cause can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. So baby, please my heart, just smile, 'cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, see the butterflies, and listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? There's a sun. dun eh. Nag-away na sila. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a river always after the rain. Galit na si Papa. Life's full of challenges, the one that tell me it won't be one. But don't despair, my dear. You take it, try it, and you make it through the storm. 'Cause you're strong, than you expect. Hindi ko kaya. So I say once again, this was wonderful. Let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Listen to the birds, now I set to sing for me and you. Can you? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if it's made now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear? Let's be always after the rain. Ano yan? Pumasok si Papa. O, diba? May intermission pa ulit. Say hi to Papa. Thank you, guys.
Our parents may look strong, but they
Ano
may
pa?
be hiding the truth about their health.
Cover speech. Thank you, guys. Ano tayo? Mag-add tayo ng live goal. Kahit na ano. Madali lang. Ay, wag na pala. Ayaw.